It's me, Allegra. Dolls, I have here a new Glossybox to unbox. So I figured it'd be super fun to do a makeup subscription box unboxing video today. And I also wanted to have another pop-up giveaway. I'm going to try to have as many pop-up giveaways as I can. I love to show my appreciation to you beauties, how grateful I am for all of your support. So I definitely love having giveaways, and I feel like it's easier to have a kind of a gift card giveaway. So because, you know, shipping is so much money, I feel like a lot of times the money for the shipping could go to better causes, you know, better use. So with that being said, I think it's so great if we have a gift card giveaway, because it's kind of, you can imagine how much shipping is what I'm trying to say. Shipping is pretty expensive. But I am still gonna have huge giveaways, because in that case I can do a, you know, a big box of goodies and put everything in, and then they do have that flat rate shipping, so that does help. But anywho beauties, I do have this Glossybox here to unbox. Is it upside down? Yes it is. So but before we do, let me get back into the giveaway. So just be a subscriber to take part into the giveaway. It's going to be for a $40 Sephora Ulta gift card. Sephora or Ulta. Guys, I'm still under the weather, and so I'm still like kind of out of it and this, that, and the other. But anyhow, guys, yeah, so Sephora, Ulta, you know what I'm saying. Sometimes it sounds weird. Okay, whatever. So anyway, beauties, that is the giveaway for today. Now, yeah, and just subscribe, be a subscriber, and also comment #GlamFam down below so I know you want to take part. So we've had so many winners. I love, you know, being able to, like I said, show my appreciation to you beauties. So anyway, dolls, let's just dive right into this makeup subscription box unboxing today for this Glossybox. Now, Glossybox does not disappoint, because they always have the most unique makeup and beauty products inside, and it's so affordably priced. Each box is about $18.95. You know, they have different plans. You can do monthly plans, you can pay for the year, and then this way the price does come down, because I think if you just pay monthly, it's about $21, but if you pay for the year, it gets all the way down to $18. So how flippin' awesome is that? And guys, can we just talk about, before we get into the unboxing, how gorgeous is this eyeshadow? This is the Hocus Pocus palette 2 from ColourPop. Yeah, so I'm wearing the eyeshadow palette and also the lip. They came out with these beautiful lip glosses in that collection. So I do have a little shorts that I put together, a little, you know, makeup video, and let me know if you'd like to see a more in-depth video, because I am in love with that palette. And what else? There's a few things in that collection that are so amazing. So anyway, let's get into it, guys. Here it is. Here here it is. So okay, always stunningly packaged. Now these, if you were to ever want to give someone a really nice gift, if you sent them, you know, a subscription to Glossybox, I think that would be amazing, because it's so, they just always come and make you feel like $1 million the way that they package everything. So they do have the little Glossybox magazine, and they're probably gonna, yeah, describe everything inside, but I do want to be surprised, so let's keep it let's keep it a surprise. And here it is, pink packaging. They always change it up though. It's not always pink. Sometimes it's just always beautiful packaging though. Beautiful paper, beautiful tissue, beautiful ribbons. So okay, here it is, guys. Oh, this one. This is a shower gel from I'm sorry, I'm gonna say this right, Kushi Naturals Vanilla Shower Gel. Oh, I can't wait to try this. Maybe I could give this a try tonight. Oh, it smells really nice. It's a natural vanilla scent. So, and it is described, the name of the company is Naturals. So is this an all natural product? Revitalizing shower gel with chamomile extract that cleans and protects the skin, leaving a refreshing scent. So I'm sure this is natural ingredients, since it's called Natural Company, and it does smell like a natural based vanilla, so it doesn't have that kind of artificial vanilla. It smells like more of a natural vanilla, so it smells really good. I can't wait to try that tonight. And then let's see what else that I got in here, my Glossybox. More KAB Cosmetics. This is that Kim Zolciak Biermann, who was on Real Housewives of Atlanta, so this is her cosmetics line. So I have gotten something else from her in my box in the past. There was a lip kit, beautiful. And then here is a gorgeous loose shimmer highlighter. Golden Hour, so beautiful. It's kind of a copper shade, which is really nice, especially for the fall. It's beautiful. So then here we have the Vita Liberte tanning mist. So I've never tried this before. I've tried the lotion, but I've never tried the tanning mist. So this sounds really nice. A tanning mist I really like to use even on my face. Just because it gives a beautiful glow under your foundation. So, you know, it's not necessarily like self-tanning a lot of times with a spray like this. You could just, you know, put a little bit on your face and it kind of peeks underneath your makeup and it makes a beautiful glow. So I'm going to try that I'm going to try this for that purpose. Because this seems like that type of product that I would do that with. That I kind of spray it on my face before my makeup and then it just makes a beautiful glow. So I'm going to try that out. Let me know if you want to try that out together, if you want to see how it works out for me. But then dolls, this is a vegan fair trade biodiversity moisturizing hair mask. So let me see what it smells like. It sounds really nice. And like if I could ever open it, if I could ever get it open, you guys. So let me try to, you know, guys, it's not working out for me. Okay. But guys, I gotta tell you, Louis, you know, I had spoken about Louis the other day in my video, my Chihuahua. Oh, this smells really nice. Let me see here. What is it? What does it smell like? I'm really curious. Oh, it's very nice. I don't know how to describe it. It smells almost like tobacco. It smells like coconut tobacco. That feels really good too on my skin. This is from Naturo Ecos. So ingredients from the Amazon. So I'm gonna try that. We're gonna give that a try, guys. Yeah, so Louis is, guys, it's been a struggle. You know, right now it's like 2 o'clock in the morning because I had to wait for him to finally fall asleep. And the doctor did give him sleeping pills, but he's too wound up. He has so much anxiety, he's not sleeping. So, you know, he's nervous because, okay, I don't know if you guys saw, but the other day I had told you guys how he hurt his neck. So he actually pulled his neck muscle. Plus, you know, I'm so stressed out because he was paralyzed in the past. So I'm like so terrified that something will happen to him, that he would become paralyzed again. But the doctor said no. She said he's fine. He just pulled a muscle in his neck. But I'm so scared, guys. And then he screams sometimes when it hurts and he kind of freezes up and it's just, oh my gosh, just heartbreaking. So now the doctor gave him sleeping pills. She wants him to sleep. She wants him to stay in his bed for 7 days and not move, which is very hard because he's not having it. He wants to get out and play. He wants to be with everybody. He doesn't want to be separated. He loves to play. So it's like he wants to be in the action, but he can't because he can't move. So it's really kind of hard, guys. So I had to finally wait 2 o'clock in the morning for him to fall asleep so we could do an unboxing. So anyway, guys, that's for mom life, right? And then today I made him cupcakes made out of just organic turkey to put his medication in because he wouldn't take his medicine. He would spit it out. So anyway, it's crazy. It's crazy up here, guys. So it's crazy up in here. So here is a Alpha Liquid Gold Firming Eye Cream. So I'm going to give this a try because I am obsessed with firming eye creams. Especially firming eye creams because my hooding is I have so much hooding. You know, you guys you can see it. Let's put that. Sometimes I see videos and people are like, oh, I have hooded eyeshadow tutorial. I'm like, where's the hooding? Okay, maybe I don't have hooding. Maybe I just have saggy eyes. Maybe that's the word. I don't, you know, who cares? But it's just like, unless, do you guys ever see that? People are like, hooded eyes video. And I'm like, where's the hooding? Their lid will be like all the way up here. You know, the hooding crease area. They have a full lid. And like these people have no idea what it's like to have hooded eyes. So anyway, guys, that is everything that came in my Glossybox this month. Again, our Glossybox is so affordably priced. You get so much makeup, so much beautiful products, full-size products, deluxe size samples. So I think it's a great deal. I think it'd make it a great gift for a beauty lover. you know, they would really love all of this stuff to get every month in these beautiful boxes. It's so beautiful that you could definitely repurpose, keep stuff in. So yeah, Glossybox is pretty amazing. Are you guys joined up for Glossybox? I'll have it linked down below. Let me know what your guys' experiences have been with Glossybox. Do you enjoy it? Let me know. And also don't forget to subscribe. And so this way you can be entered into today's giveaway, all my future giveaways. Also comment #GlamFam so I know you want to take part. So I hope you beauties are all doing good. Let me know how you are. Let me know how things are going for you. And I will see you dolls very soon. Bye. I love you.